Hello. Today we have a change of scenery. We are in Zurich. We are here for the Sabrina Carpenter concert, which is tonight. But we've made it sort of a road trip. Today we're just going to do a half day and then a half day tomorrow morning. Now we're just having a little look around the city and we will be heading to the concert at around 4. So I'll keep you posted. Right, so what did we do? We had lunch, then we had a little snack.
Yeah.
We went back to the hotel.
The typical carrot cake,
which was lush, by the way.
It was amazing.
We went back to the hotel, we got changed. She's very into her Sabrina spirit with this pink. I have a glittery top underneath, but it's really cold, so I'm just covering up for now. Now we're just outside the stadium.
We can't wait to go in.
Now it's 5:15. They should open the doors up in 15 minutes. And I mean, God knows when we're going to get in, because in theory it starts at 7. We'll see. Managed to get in. We're on the floor now. We just sat down because we've still got an hour to go.
We're in a pretty good position.
Yeah, we are fairly close to the stage. We have people playing cards, people eating, everyone taking pictures. We're also going to be taking pictures soon. Which song do you want to hear the most tonight?
Taste.
I mean, it's the opening song, so that's fine. I really want to hear Good Graces. Can't wait. Also, can't wait to find out the Juno position.
2 hours later.
So the opening act left a couple of minutes ago, and now we're just waiting for Sabrina to come on. It's happening!
Welcome to the short and sweet tour, everybody! I'm working.
It is day 2. Excuse the no makeup, but me and my sister were really tired from last night. We had an absolute blast. Sabrina was amazing. As we were heading back home, we stopped at the Lindt Chocolate Museum and it looks so good. On
Good night, everybody. Thanks for coming to the short and sweet tour. Hope you had a great night. Drive safe.